Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a good weekend. And welcome to this new video here on Solana. Wanted to do a full update on the current situation. There's some bullish momentum coming in here after a pretty bearish end of last week. So I wanted to talk about what that means, how far we can go. Could this be an actual breakout? Yes or no? Etc. Basically, what you need to know. So that's what we'll do. Like I said, this morning has been quite good for the crypto market in general. Not so much for Bitcoin, but we actually see the same kind of order flow coming into Solana as we see with Ethereum. And that is that there's quite a lot of leverage coming into the price. Now, for Ethereum, there is actually some nice normal volume coming in as well. For Solana, I'm not too sure. It seems to be much less, and therefore I'm a little bit more worried about Solana, even though we're seeing some green, so that's always great. But we'll talk about that. I mean, first of all, when we take a look at the metrics for Solana right here, still not doing great. TVL has obviously bottomed since the price of Sol has bottomed. And if you take a look at the DEX trading volumes, pretty good. I actually, someone sent me an article about Solana, and the article was saying, well, there's a massive downtrend in DEX trading volumes, and there's a massive downtrend in TVL, which is a metric you should not use for anything of that. But basically, the network is hurting, so Solana should drop down lower. And I think it's good to say that the fundamentals, look, they're not good, all right? The fundamentals are definitely in a downtrend, but the DEX trading volumes right now are averaging still on top of, or at least north of, $1 billion, which is higher than it has been for, basically August until September. And in that period of time, Solana was still able to hold the support level right here at 127, 125. And right now, the DEX trading volumes are higher, and we're at that level, right? So you could make an argument as to why fundamentally, also with a higher chance of a Solana ETF, why Solana is undervalued. And I've always told you that I think it's most likely that we're going to get a bullish breakout than a bearish breakdown. I just never have seen enough indication to tell you we're going to get that bullish breakout. And right now I'm also hesitant. All right, like I said, this morning we are seeing some strength, and you can see Bonk is also doing pretty good. WIF is doing pretty good. Jupiter was showing some strength this morning. So the entire Solana ecosystem is doing better. The thing though is that it's not good enough. All right, we need to break at least above 133 with a lot of volume, or we to get a little bit more certainty, we just need to break above 136. And if we can actually do that, then we can get up to that level at 145 and 150 and actually get a bullish breakout and some rallying. And that would be great. But right now, look, the last two times that Solana tried to break above 133, it did break above 133, but both of them were fake outs. And unfortunately, I mean, the price action as we're seeing it right now, again, quite a lot of leverage, especially from the bottoms right here on Friday evening. Quite a lot of leverage, like the last two times, with no fundamental reason why we should break out, and no spot volume accompanying it, and then also the movement on the weekend, which is usually always less trustworthy. So therefore, we can do the same, and I lean towards expecting the same as the last two times, but I don't think we're going to get that bullish breakout. I think it's more likely that eventually we'll fall back down towards 127, towards the value area low at 122, and then eventually I do still expect that we're going to get that bullish breakout. I just think we have to wait a little bit longer. But those are my thoughts. I think that's what you need to know. So if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.